Ayo, Hitman Bang introduces Hit It the second audition. Rap dance John Noredor so gosh, I can't say that. Oh bad. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mansi and today I am here with my bullet journal setup video for June. So these are my spreads for May and I really love the way the spreads turned out and the way they look right now. Overall, I was very happy with my spreads for um, May and all of them really turned out amazing. I filmed this like in middle of the month, so they are completely empty and I did not use my productivity tracker. We're not going to talk about that. I'll be starting another journal again. This will be my third journal of this year, and I believe this is going to be the last one because as you can see this is much bigger than my old journal, which is like a A5 size, while the new one is A6 size. I'll link that down below because I feel like this is one of the most reasonable journal you can find for bullet journaling, and it is like a good quality journal, so I'll link it down below. I made few of my pages beforehand, like index and the future log and my yearly trackers, so those are already made. And for my theme of June, it is something I have already done earlier this year, but it was a very different theme than this because that theme was like Bangtan February, and this theme is BTS and like mixture of comic book layouts. So there's a lot of like comic book layout pages. You will see a lot of boxes divided randomly, and all of the spreads are like boxes except for two, and the weeklies as usual are like boxes. So yeah, first I started by outlining everything. This actually took a lot of time to make because as you can see the spread is very like complex. There's a lot in it and there's a lot to see. I'll be real honest, this actually took me like 45 minutes to film. Like this one spread was like 45 minutes. Usually I just need 10 to 15 minutes to make a spread, but this one it took me 45 minutes, which was a lot. I just made all the outlines and then I took some color and added background colors before because I didn't want to mess them up. And I'm using my metallic brush markers, which are water based, so I just use them like watercolor. And yeah, I added a purple background, a red background I believe, and yellow background and blue background. So as you can see I'm filling up the red background now. I wanted to have a colorful like page. I wanted to have a pop of color, and I completely ended up with the result I really like wanted. I have a lot of things in here. As you can see, we've got Jin eating his food, minding his business, and next to him I'm just going to write worldwide handsome because he is. Then we have Yoongi just walking around and then underneath that is Hobie jumping, wearing a animal onesie. On left side of him we have Taeyong, not Taeyong, Taehong, and he is the one from the Grammy reaction because that was amazing. Like he already knew that they were going to scam then. Then we have Namjoon with his pink hair because like he came back with his pink hair even though he lied us that he won't. Then we have a group doodle of them. Underneath that we have Jungkook from My Time. Then we have one of the lives that have like they had. Then next to them we have Dul said Bangtan 안녕하세요 Bangtan Shoyamida, but I haven't wrote Bangtan Shoyandan because there wasn't enough space. And then we have my favorite Taekook movement underneath that, Flower Hobie and Jimin posing for a camera. Oof, I'm tired. I need some water. Um, Anyways, next is my monthly spread, of course, because you usually have your monthly spread after the cover page. Um, Anyways, I went for a different layout than like I have been going for, which was like a row between each box, and that has been my favorite since a long time. But since this journal was new and I was very confused how I wanted to go around this, I ended up drawing this sort of calendar, which is like just a calendar, simple one. And I added a box around June which wasn't going to be there originally, but then I decided to add it. Then I added color to the like area around June, because like I wanted to have pop-up color as I mentioned. So I added color there. I use red and blue, I believe, and then I also use purple at the top on 31st of May, because that was not technically the day of this month. So yeah, I did that. I also used like various colors to like fill in the days of the week. I was going to write a script and talk about, a lot of things, but I clearly didn't do that. So I'm just going to tell you how I became an army. Like the first song I heard of BTS. I'm actually making a video about this, so I won't go really deep, but yeah. So it was just another day in my life, and I was minding my own business. I was getting ready for school, and back then I had this habit listening to songs in the morning. And back then I used to listen to a lot of like Taylor Swift, Ariana, and Justin. Like these were my favorite, and One Direction, of course. um but one day I was just sitting in my room, sipping on my tea, and waiting for my bus to arrive so I can like go to my school. A very different kind of music video started on the TV, and I was like, "Ooh, this thing is cool. Wow, look at their outfits, look at them dance. Like this is cool." But then afterwards, when my bus arrived, I went to the school, I attended my lectures, I got home, I went to my tuition, I studied, I got back home, I studied again, and at the end of the day, all that I could think about was money, money, money. So yeah, I heard the song like one time, and Wunne Money Money was something that got stuck in my brain, and like it was playing on my in my head for like a week before I checked what the song was actually and who the artist were. And that is when I first time like discovered about BTS. Okay, back to the spread. I wrote lyrics from the song Dol Set, and these are like my favorite lyrics, and this is the song which I listen to whenever I'm like feeling very very sad. So yeah, the next spread we have is like mixture of my to-do list plus video spread, where like in my video spread I usually write down the video and links and stuff that I have to mention in the description. And the to-do list spread, it just says to-do list. I drew Hobie and Yoongi in one of the boxes, and then on the right side we have Jimin, Jungkook, and Jin. And Jungkook and Jin are yelling STOPIT. Jimin is laughing because before that Jin ended up saying hey stop it instead of stop it. So yeah, I drew that. It looks like Jungkook is like sitting in the air, but I did not draw the bed. So yeah, it looks like he's sitting in the air. Next spread is the content spread. I've been making this for past 2 months now. Usually I just draw like horizontal boxes for each day of the month, but this time I ended up like drawing all the 31 boxes on one page. And I usually don't use this a lot, because like all I have to write is the reels I have to post, videos I have to post, and things I have to like upload on social media. Apart from that, I don't usually end up writing anything. Only if there's like a comeback or something for any K-pop group, I'll end up writing. And I did not really know that my shoulder was popping in the view so much. I'm really sorry about that. This one is like my lyrics of the day page, which is going to be like a very simple page. I'll just write down the lyrics of a particular song that I was listening to that day. For in Bangtan February, I had a spread where I drew out a doodle for a song which I heard a lot on that day. So yeah, this is kind of like that, but with lyrics. Now the next spread which I am currently working on is my trackers page. The first tracker at the very top on the left page is my sleep tracker. Underneath that we have my habit tracker, and underneath that we have a doodle of Taeyong and Yontan, because like he's the cutest dog, so I had to add him in the spread. Then we have my mood tracker, which is a bit of flex sort of thing, because as you can see, there's a lot of trophies on that. And at the top we have Taeyong saying, "Did you see my bag? Did you see my bag? Hala trophies and it's hala tech." Okay, I'm going to stop. I cannot sing. Um, what you think about that? What you think about that? Okay, I'm actually going to stop. Sorry about that. So yeah, I just wrote that. Next, we are going to go into my weekly spreads, and the weekly spreads I have a completely new layout for this now, because as the journal was like huge, I could like fit a lot more. So I have a layer of boxes at top, which where I'll write to do, and underneath I'm going to time track my day because I want to, and that just gives me a good idea because I did that a lot in last month. So yeah, for the doodle on the side of this page, I have fire. So I have drawn the shadow on fire, and I have drawn Jung's hand holding the tape, and I actually ended up messing up a bit, so I had to use whitener. um I also wrote Sakta Boom Tera. Wow, wow, wow. I really need to stop singing out of nowhere. Anyways, next spread that we have for the second week, which is also the week when 13 June is going to be around. So I actually ended up writing like the names of all the music videos of BTS on the like doodle side of the page. And let me tell you, I had to sit through like scrolling YouTube for like checking all the music videos according to time. So yeah, I did not really know the timeline properly, so I just sat down, wrote all the names on a separate page, and then I just do it. I sort of made it in a comic book sort of like layout. As you can see, there's a lot of division in the words. This one also took me a lot of time because like I had to sit and scroll through these um music videos and write down all the names, then I had to draw that. So yeah, this spread took a lot of time to make, but it was fun and I really love it. Like this is 8 years of music videos that they have, and I did not like use all of them. So yeah, I started listening to them in Blood, Sweat and Tear era, as I mentioned, and after that I have been listening to their music and it has helped me a lot through my life. I have learned a lot through all of the members, and there's a lot deeper emotions to why I really love this group. And I feel like a lot of armies will understand me, and to other people, this is just craziness. But in all honesty, only armies can understand each other. So, yeah. The next spread we have another weekly, and this one is themed around We Are Bulletproof the Eternal. And I actually drew like a phone chat, and they are like talking to us. So they are singing their lyrics for We Are Bulletproof the Eternal, and I'm replying them back. So yeah, this one was fun to make because it makes me think a lot. Like the song means a lot to us. Every time we listen to it, our eyes are filled with tears, and yeah, you just can understand my feelings if you're an army. um this spread, I really loved the way it turned out. And yeah, next weekly we have theme of Magic Shop, which again is one of the best songs, and this is one of my comfort songs. I listen to it whenever I'm like sad or going through hard time. This is the song I listen to. Yes, I am tearing up, so let's not think about that. So here I completely forgot to draw Jin's neck, and then I also forgot to draw Namjoon's face, and I also forgot to draw Taeyong's cheek. So yeah, I just wanted to show that. Don't worry, I added it later, like as you can see here. Last year Magic Shop was my comfort song. Like I listened to Magic Shop a lot last year. Like if you ask me my 2020 favorite song, I'll probably say Magic Shop before I say Dynamite. So yeah, um I was really thinking a lot while making this prayer because Magic Shop just takes me back to 2020 and stuff. It just reminds me a lot of the things that happened during 2020. Yeah, so I added the door at the top, and then box underneath that is like showing that they opened the door and they're peeking through it. Um, the next weekly and the final weekly is themed around Spring Day, Again, one of the most beautiful songs and one of the songs which I listen to when I am seeking comfort and like peace. Spring Day is one of those. And to be honest, since I found out Spring Day was around a tragedy that happened in South Korea, I have just gotten a deep connection with this song now. So yeah, this spread is around Spring Day. I wrote the lyrics at the top, and I have Jimin standing underneath the tree, and the tree has blossomed here. I really don't know why I ended up crying filming this voiceover. I really have no idea. But, anyways, I have completed the setup, and I'll show you guys the flip through soon. Here I'm just adding color to the like days of the week. So this is the first weekly spread, which is fire. Next we have all of the songs. Then we have We Are Not Bulletproof, The Eternal. We have Magic Shop, and finally we have Spring Day. Here's the flip through of my spreads. I really love the way they turned out. I like how they are bright at the beginning and then they just fade a bit by bit in each spread. And I am hoping that I'll have a nice month and I'll be able to like use all of this spread properly, just the way I was able to use for my previous theme, which was the Doomsday by TXT. If you want to check that out, I'll link that video down below because that theme was amazing. um, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Bye.